If you want to use a link to Windows with Xiaomi 17, then first of all we need to open Settings, and then over here we're gonna go to More Connectivity Options. In here you should be able to find Link to Windows, so let's go ahead and open this. And then in this menu you can choose to sign in using your Microsoft account, or I think the preferred way will be to use this option below, sign in using the QR code on your PC. This allows you to scan a QR code that we can get on our PC by opening the Phone Link app. So what you need to do is you need to open the Phone Link app, which you should have on your Windows already. And then in here you want to choose, of course, the Android option that we have over here. Of course, make sure that you are signed into a Microsoft account. And then you should be able to get the QR code, so of course you can scan it. And afterwards you want to follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on both the Phone Link and of course on your phone. After scanning the QR code, you will need to enter a code that is going to be displayed on the screen on the Phone Link app on your Windows. So you will need to enter it over here on your phone, and then just follow the rest of the instructions, of course, and you should be able to connect your phone with the link to Windows. Leave a like and subscribe.